the Pokemon Leaguers. Here you can train your Pokemon and you can wait. And you can challenge the final boss of the game. What I'm going to do right now, I'm going to get all my stuff ready. And then in the next episode, we're actually not going to take on these guys. Well, maybe we are. I showed 2 of these. So the nuggets, I'll just say what I'm saying. I think that's all I can sell. Yeah, let's see. What can I buy? What should I buy? So for this, I think 4 stores. I'll buy 34 stores. And then the rest of my money will be on revives. But I think that's all I will need. So in the next episode, I'll have decided what to do. We'll either be taking on the Elite Four, or we'll be going after the 2 legendary dogs. See you guys then. Welcome guys, Cheese Chapter 50, welcome back to some more Pokemon Soul Silver. I got no breath and I don't know why. This is the finale, part 1, where we are taking on the first of the Elite Four. But first, I have some rare candies. 3 rare candies. I'd like to give the 1 to Costa. One to Serena. And 1 to Chuck Jr. And I think that is all I need. It's very intense. Once you enter this door, you'll be facing one of the Elite Four. They're really tough. You cannot exit once you enter. Are you ready? Be courageous and go for it. To save before and after every battle. Anyway, this is the first, the Psychic. Welcome to the Pokemon League. Allow me to introduce myself. I'm Will. I've trained all around the world, making my Psychic-type Pokemon powerful. And at last I've been accepted into the Elite Four. I can only keep getting better. Losing is not an option. That's the same theme as the gym leaders. 5 Pokemon. We'll start by using fire. That is not good. Not good. Yay! Traitor. Critical? That is evil. Evil. There's Zartu down. Jinx! This is an Ice Psychic type. Because Ice, I'll send out Chuck Jr. So I'll use Lava Plume. And there we go. 1203, that's a year of some kind. Tsunami, I guess. I'm not sure if that'll help, but yeah. Slowbro, very defensive and very slow. But with Earthquake. I think his speed has fallen and his attack has risen and defense. So I'll continue going first, but not doing much damage at all. Yeah! Hurry up! Follow up with Earthquake. Oh jeez, that didn't do anything. Right now he'll probably use a full restore. His defense keeps rising. There's his full restore. Yeah, it's going to take a long time. There's not much I can do there, so see if Chuck can help. Oh, nuts. I'm not in a very good position here. I think that's me dead. Yep. Bug Buzz should do something. Oh yes, that's how it works. Oh, another Zartu. That's Costa down. Yeah, they're dropping like flies. At level 48, they should be very powerful. Oh, that's fast. 1-1-1. And that's it. The second Xatu down. Executor is... No, Chuck's fainted. I'll keep you up. You should be down next anyway. Till we hit 0, power is limitless. Except when I'm a Ice fan. And that is you down. Woohoo! And that is Will down. I can't believe it. Believe it, douche. Even though I was defeated, I won't change my course. I'll continue battling until I stand above all trainers, and I'll move on and experience the true ferocity of the Elite Four. Welcome back, this is Elite Four, Episode 2. Fwahahaha, I'm Koga of the Elite Four. I live in shadows and ninja. My intricate style will confound and destroy, confusion, sleep, poison. Prepare to be the victim of my sinister techniques. Fwahahaha. Pokemon are not really about brute force. You shall see soon enough. I didn't save. Hopefully I should still be safe. It's a Koga! Ariados. It's a bug type, so Fly should be good enough. Ooh. Fortress, that is a bug type, that's a bug something type. But I will eat him. Okay, that's not what I was expecting, but I will use Lava Plume anyway. Ooh. There we go. Muck. Costa. You know what to do. That looks ludicrously overdone. And it killed me. Oh, it didn't kill me. And it's leftovers. Black sludge, okay. Apparently it eats sludge. Let's see if I can still get some hits on it while I survive. No. Anyway, halfway point in its health. Not anymore. Does tsunami. See what surf can do. Not much. Uh-oh. And I'll do Earthquake because it will use a Forester. There, that's Water House. Keep with the Earthquake. Oh! Oh, he saw me. He saw it coming. It's super effective. Ah. 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 No! I hope I can survive this swing attack. Ah. Okay. So here, I guess. Yeah, this is down. Wow. Oh, there's a map. Oh, that's not there. I just keep zooming out. Nope, I was going to try and send out Chip Jr., but it's not. Yeah, Venomoth. Perfect for check. You see how crazy its wings are if you see it in Pokemon Black or White. One Pokemon left. Hey. I've been counting on this one from the very beginning. Lava Plum. Oh, wow. And that is him down. Ah, you're off in your worth. Here's a barge. A barge. I subjected you to everything I could muster, but my efforts failed. I must hone my skills, go on to the next room, and put your abilities to the test. So, let's see what is in the next room. Fighting type gym. See you guys next time. Hey guys, this is Choose-Up 50 with the finale of Pokemon Soul Silver. We are fighting the Elite Four, and this is the third of the Elite Four. Let's go! I am Bruno in the Elite Four. I will always train to the extreme because I believe in our potential. That is how we became strong. Can you withstand our power? I see no fear in you. I don't see anything in me. You look determined. Perfect for battle. Ready, Chuck? You'll bow down to our overwhelming power. Hoo-ha! He is a weird guy, cause he's named Bruno, and I never sing, so I'll stop. Keep on top. I just noticed him on top's got a tail. Here. Between his legs. And keep Starbucks alive. And Starbucks will be a main player in this. Let's Hitmontop down. Hitmonchan. I think this is the bold one. No, this is the one with hair and boxing gloves. This is a physical attacker, and the other one is a special attacker. Ooh, Ice Punch, that's evil. Oh, I'm doing pretty good. Lovely, almost there. Onyx. Rock Pokemon. Lie. Click it. What's an Onyx doing in a fighting team? Nice. Wow. That worked well. Okay, then I'll go back to Starbucks. I'm sort of spamming right now. Swagger Jagger, Swagger Jagger. And that is Hitmon lead. Wow. Okay, that's our first level game. Champ. This is a very scary looking Pokemon. 4 flipping fists. Fight till you faint. I'll keep flying until I faint. Revenge! Wait, how did that hit me? It's 89 HP. Oh, me sad. Whoa, critical hit. No, I just one hit KO all of them. That is awesome. Why? How could we lose? Who's we? Got a phone in your pocket? Having lost, I have no right to say anything. Go and face your next challenge. Yeah, shut up. Got no right to say anything, stop saying stuff. Okay, so this is next one, a dark type user. So, see you guys next time. Hey everybody, this is the 4th of the Elite Four. I'm Karen of the Elite Four. But check how I'm using. I love dark type Pokemon. I'm known for my overpowering tactics. Think you can tame them? Just try and entertain me. Let's go. Meow, 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 meow. I am a girl with pixel boots, so let's fight her. Should be too hard. Ooh, Umbreon. Okay, that might be a bit of a challenge, but you never know. Confusery. Confusery. Uh-oh. Ah, it's a double team spam. I'm not good. I'm not good at all. I'm taking out a third. Umbreon missed. Oh. Oh no. Yeah, I have a feeling I'm gonna be in trouble now. Yeah, I know I'm confused. Just say am I hurt or not. Oh, you traitor. yeah. Missed. Oh no, Shumiri is confused right now. Critical maybe? No. Payback. Not sure what that does, but it probably hurts. No, it doesn't. This is one Pokemon and it's taken forever. I think Dark type's the hardest because you barely have anything that's good against Dark type. No! It's like 1 HP. If I survive, that'd be awesome. Yes. No! Should have expected that. That noise is gonna get annoying. Okay, that's me down. That was a waste of a Starbucks. Trick Junior, hopefully. Will do good. Maybe. I've been spamming that, it's not very good. I mean, I'm spamming Flamethrower, so I guess you get to spam something. I use Revenge next, I bet, or whatever that move he did. No, he's just spamming it. Limit Ruia! 3 minutes and a flippin' Umbreon. The point is critical, of course. Gotta end it on a pointless. Houndoom! Oh no, the Starbucks is down to Tsunami, I guess. It's part fire type, so I guess Tsunami will be the best bet. Woof! Yeah, halfway, that's good. So if I survive the next hit... no, I'm not gonna kill it now. No, that's not gonna hurt at all. If I get a critical, that'd be pretty cool. But I won't. Jet game. Yeah, goes ahead. Oh no, I didn't. Don't kill me! I think that's me down. Yep. That's alright, it's an up chuck. And Gengar. I'll keep battling actually. Gengars look really creepy. They haunt you in your nightmares. I get halfway, that was pretty. Ooh, I did actually quite a lot. So I think I've got this. Yes, that's Gengar down. I don't know if this arena has any water moves. Gotta send you out. Rapapa. Irina, you're so crazy. I wasn't looking at how. Ooh, that's not much health at all. Yeah, you've got Hydro Pump. Good day now. That is down, unless there's another Pokemon I wasn't paying attention to. Yes, there is. There always is. This is far from being backed into a corner. Yeah, but I've got Ice Fang. Is that multiple hit moves? No. Seems like it. Hey. Sure. That is Elite for counting down. Well, aren't you a good trainer? Yes, I am. Strong Pokemon, weak Pokemon. That is the only selfish perception of people. Truly skilled trainers will try to win the Pokemon they love best. I like a style. You understand what's important. Go, the champion is waiting. This is the finale of Pokemon Soul Silver Johto. So enjoy while you can. I've been waiting for you. Lance, you Chuck. I knew that you, with your skills, would eventually reach me here. There's no need for words now. Your battle is to determine who is the stronger of the two of us. As the most powerful trainer is the Pokemon League champion, I, Lance, the Dragon Master, accept your challenge. So this is the final battle for Johto. 6 Pokemon. Starting off with Gyarados. I'm not sure how I will do to Gyarados, because Gyarados is pretty powerful. Let's start with the Fly anyway. Oh, that's not good. There's nothing else I can do other than fly, so... I'm to a 5. There's about 50 of its HP, so... Oh, that's me down. My first Poké down. Down the gutter. I'm not sure what to use actually. Tsunami has Earthquake, so I'll go for Tsunami. What? Aerodactyl. Yeah, that's it. I won't be able to get any more hits on it. It's not good. Because I need this Pokemon. I'll go for Serena and use Surf. Oh no, Serena doesn't know Surf, does it? There's no Hydro Pump. Uh-oh. Yeah, so that's all down. Level 49. Woohoo! Dragonite. Okay, I'll keep battling for you, Mr. Dragon. Also level 49. Uh-oh, I think that's killed me. Oh, nuts. I should have thought this out more. I'm pretty worried right now. No Pokemon that knows any good moves. Tsunami, I'm gonna go first. Tsunami. Heal up Tsunami. Tsunami's a female. Oh, I'm going down really bad. Let's do this while I can. Aha! Maybe I can get an ice beam on it. If I survive. Ah, yes. Oh, wow. That's really powerful. Powerful stuff. Gyarados, ooh. I get a toxic now. I'm really stuck. Bring back some of my team members. While you're spamming Dragon Pulse. While you heal up now, I'm going to is a full restore. Oh wow, that did a lot. At least it won't kill me. Come on. What? These were suicidal, aren't they? The most suicidal Gyarados I've ever seen. Oh yeah, you down. Suicidal Gyarados, and suicidal with the Gyarados. I'll keep battling. 51, 49. Oh no, that's really bad. That's really, really bad. I'll get critical. That'd be amazing. But you know, I'm not that lucky. Haha. No! No! Please don't die, please, 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 please. Yes! No! Please, please live, please live. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, it's final Dragonite. How many Dragonites do you have? Still 2 more Pokemon. Over 50. I'm risking it. Oh wait, oh no. Oh no. I'm worried. Oh, phew. Phew. Revive, so you know. Yes, you can stop now. Hurt, please. Yes. 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 My heart is pounding. Hit yourself, hit yourself. Oh, how lucky is this? Oh, nice. Yes. Oh. This is the luckiest game ever. Charizard. Yes. I think I've got this. No, I don't have it anymore. No. The last Pokemon. Nothing good. I'm ashamed. Please, 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 please. 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 No. I'm gonna do something really, really risky. If this works, I will scream happy. I just used I can't say anything because my heart is pounding so fast. Yes, I just used an elixir so I can get back my hydro pump. Oh no. I'm actually really worried. If this works, I will just be so happy. Oh no. Oh, I really don't want to die. I really don't want to die. I'm not taking any risks at all. I don't want to die. Okay. And then you can stop missing. Please work. Yes. 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 Oh, yes. Oh, yes. 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 It's over. But it's not feeling. I'm not angry that I lost. In fact, I feel happy. Happy that I've witnessed the great rise of a new champion. 20 minutes, jeez. Phew. You have become truly powerful, Chuck. Your Pokemon have responded to your strong, upstanding nature. As a trainer, you will continue to grow strong with your Pokemon. Oh man, that was well scary. But, oh no, it's all over. Professor Oak, if you weren't so slow. Chuck, it's been a long while. You certainly look more impressive. The conquest of the League is just fantastic. Your dedication, trust, and love for your Pokemon made this happen. Your Pokemon were outstanding too, because they believed in you as a trainer. They persevered. Congratulations, Chuck. Let's interview the brand new champion. This is getting a bit too noisy. Chuck, could you come with me? Oh wait, we haven't done the interview. What? Where is this? It's been a long time since I last came here. This is where we commemorate the League champions for all eternity. The greatest Pokemon are also inducted. Here today, we witness the rise of a new League champion, a trainer who feels compassion for and trust towards all Pokemon. I trust my Shirina, a trainer who succeeded through perseverance and determination, a new League champion who has all the makings for greatness. Chuck, allow me to register you and your partners as champions. What a victory. Starbucks. Pidgeot, level 48, met at Route 29. Cyrena, Gyarados, level 49, met at the Lake of Rage. Tsunami, Poliwrath, level 48, met at Utarax City. Chuck Jr., level 49, met at New Barktown. Nidoking, level 45, arrived from Sinnoh. Costa, level 45, obtained in a link trade. Yay! Saving to turn off the power. And that is it. Now for the credits. I'll be quiet so you can watch the credits. But thank you for watching this series. It's been really long and not rewarding. I just wasted, like an hour of my time just recording this final area. Anyway, thanks for watching, and see you guys when we start whatever comes next. But wait, there is still the Kanto region. We'll be doing that in the next episode. Oh, you jerk. You're always a jerk, Rasta. Oh, that's a lot of Pidgeot. And there's Bugsy with a Cypher. Here's Cypher. There's a Pichu with a Togepi. On the bottom there is Whitney with her Clefairy and Miltank. And there is the awesome dance of the Phanpy. On the bottom there is Morty with 2 Ghastlies, and there's a Suicune just appearing at the bottom. And there is, I forgot his name, Chuck, I think. He stole my name. And there is Jasmine with her thingamajigs. There is the awesome Elekid dance, and there's Lance flying on his Dragonite with Claire just running at the bottom. And there is Price as well. And here's the whole line of Team Rocket. Just running across the bottom. There's one that has to catch up at the end. There's Team Rocket running away from me and Lance. There are the 4 Elite Four. There is Emerald. We got rid of the Ditto dance. The end. For now.